Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you have this Chevy Cruze or similar cars and your battery is dead and you can't get in but you have the keys, what you want to do is, there's a slot right in there. What you do is put your key in and that should pry it. You pry it and then you can put the key in. And that's how you get in. To put it back, you just line it up. And that's it. Also, if you want to know what's your tires supposed to be pumped to, what PSI, most of the cars have it right here. The sticker, and it shows where it should be. The front, rear, and spare. Front 135, rear 35, and it says none on the spare. Also, you have more information under the hood. You gotta do this twice, as it says. If you go here, and also some more information under the hood. That'll be it for this one. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. Comment below if you have questions. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.